So I was approached by the TROTB Schools to share my experiences about the school.
They had me sit down and ask me a few series of questions about my life before TROTB Schools.
And the first set of questions took me to a very deep emotional history of mine.
So before coming to TROTB School, I was someone who was very shy, and I didn't like mingling with people much. I used to feel very insecure about myself.
All my life I have been oppressed, It's a spiritual oppression. It's all the time. I can't see normally.
I forgot smiling. I used to smile, but not from heart, because there was no joy.
When I was 12 years, I lost my father. So the first thing that hit me is the lack of security and assurance.
I never like to trust anyone. I don't share anything to anyone because I know people will make some mess around me again.
I was asked certain questions where I had to reflect on a lot of things in my life which were not very good, not so positive things.
It was a little bit difficult for me to forgive in one area where we've been hurt so deeply.
And when I became 19, something happened in my life, some bad stuff with drugs, and after that I get involved in alcoholism or drinking a lot. I drank a lot. It was disgusting. It took 23 years.
Immediately after the questions were asked, that's when he took the photographs. And as soon as that bit was over, he started asking me a different set of questions. After coming to TROTB Schools, I have got my smile back because of the worship sessions and all the messages, which has helped me know the joy of the Lord and my identity in Christ and my righteousness.
After coming to school over here, I found the people who are trustworthy, and I shared the deepest secrets which I want to reveal so that I can get freedom from that. I found trustworthy people, I shared to them, then God released me from that path.
I realized that it's okay to be myself, and I started valuing myself. You don't have to care about what the world thinks or how the world is when you have God with you.
But TROTB School gave me the breakthrough. It sounds nothing, but it's everything. Because it crushed that oppression. It means I can speak, Nobody holds me. I was just like, wow, it's amazing.
We've had some amazing times in TROTB with intimacy with God, digging deeper, and the inner healing, and things like that we really needed.
One thing which I would take away from TROTB School will be the 3 pillars of discipleship, which will be your intimacy with God, your integrity of character, and your intensity for missions.
It was such deep pain, but I'm leaving being absolutely free, set free.
For any growth, you need an education process. You need to be put through foundations of the spiritual life, and I believe every one of you must go through this foundation course.
I would definitely recommend TROTB School to anybody.
TROTB Schools is all about transformation, and I can surely say that transformation is delivered. If you're someone like me who's looking forward to grow spiritually, I would definitely recommend TROTB Schools to you. Please come join us and be discipled.